you just look at them and you just wish them the best. But you know, it's all good. See, the thing is, because I think I always bounce back. That's one thing that I've learned in life, that nothing is ever constant. And whatever you do in life, one needs to make sure that you never stop. Because people are not there for me to talk about my problems. People are there when I go on radio, when I close myself in that box, and when I say salam namaste. People are there to see and to hear that there is a hope in my voice. And honestly, quite frankly, I think if God has taken things from me, He has given me so much.
True, but Sahil, okay, on a personal note, I find people who are bubbly or people who are giving, and by giving I don't mean materially. You're giving of yourself through your energy, through your vibe, through respect, through when you're out meeting people. And yet, when there's a void in your life, trying to fill that, how does Sahil Lodhi fill that void in his life?
There's always going to be a void in my life.
Always going to be a void.
There's always going to be a void.
Why?
There's Sahil Lodhi that exists for the media. Then there's Sahir. And they're two different people. Sahil Lodhi is a property. Sahil Lodhi is for everyone.
It's a product.
It's a product. But Sahir is for me. And Nasir Kazmi ne ek jagah kaha tha, meri sari umr mein ek hi kami hai tu. So I don't think it's about me. It's about the people. And these days, the only thing that I'm realizing is that zindagi guzari jati hai. It's not. I'm not really looking forward to talk about the problems that I had in life, but rather thinking that how I overcame them. Abhi aisa lagta hai mere ko ke I think things are difficult, things are tough, but at the same time, the moment the camera goes on, the lights comes up, and I go into the room.
mask comes on, and
a mask? I don't know, Aisha. Is there a mask? There's a mask. There's a mask. Trust me, there's a mask. There's a mask. I'm a very shy person, honestly. I mean, you have worked with me, and you know that I don't talk to people, and I sit there quietly. I don't have any tantrums. I just sit there thinking and all. But there's definitely a mask. There's definitely a mask.
Let me change the topic a bit, because I will come back to this, but that will be later. But I want to just try and make you smile a little bit as well. Shaista, your sister. Now, I know you guys are close and you love each other to bits, but sibling rivalry is, come on, you
Aisha,
cannot be
swear,
serious. She does a morning show, you do a morning show. She dyes her hair blonde, you dyed your hair blonde.
No, I dyed it before. Seriously, I did.
He dyed his hair blonde before Shaista did.
That was an accident. Seriously, that was it.
On.
No, that was an accident. I was sitting in Visible Changes. There was a, yes, can I say the name? Of course, now it's too late. So I was sitting in Visible Changes, and this Latino girl comes to me, and she goes,
you look nice, blonde.
Yeah, exactly, blonde. I said, please make me blonde. And she did.
Was it because she's a Latino girl and she charmed into getting
She was very charming, Aisha. She was very charming. I didn't ask a single question.
You were not thinking.
I just shut my eyes and I said, please do whatever you want to do. And then...
You did not just say that.
Yes, I did. It's no reservations, isn't it? That's it. But it was good though. It was good.
Okay,
it was
all right,
good.
okay,
Yeah.
all right. Fair enough.
But just the hair though.
Okay.
Just the hair, nothing
else. So there is no sibling rivalry there.
Absolutely not. How can it be? मतलब मैं उसको स्कूल छोड़ने जाता था साइकिल पे यार. I mean, I can't do that.
नहीं वो तो खैर है, वो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन फिर भी sibling rivalry तो हर बहन भाई में होता है.
I see, even if I don't exist in the media, I don't care. But she should, because she's worked way harder than me, and I honestly, I think she's better than me.
I have some more questions for you, but I'm going to get to that in the next section, because that's slightly naughty. We're going to talk about that after this one.
Is that Latino girl here or no?
It's not about Latino girl. It's about some other girls, but we'll talk about that later.
Oh, okay.
That is coming up after the break, right here on No Reservations with myself, Aisha Alam Khan, and of course, the wonderful, enigmatic Sahil Lodhi. Stay with us.